How to tie the full Windsor knot. Start with the wide end of the tie on the right and the small end on the left. Only move the wide end. Step 1. Move the wide end over the small end to the left. Step 2. Move it up into the neck loop from underneath. Step 3. Move it down to the left. Step 4. Around the back of the small end to the right. Step 5. Move it up to the center, towards neck loop. Step 6. Move it through the neck loop and down to the right. Step 7. Move it across the front to the left. Step 8. Up into the neck loop from underneath. Step 9. Down through the loop you've just created in the front. Step 10. Tighten the knot by pulling down on the wide end.